Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem that is from a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river, 30 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meters from the banks, find the width of river. So for that, if we take a figure, this is the river and a bridge. Okay, 30 degrees respective. The bridge is at a height of 3 meters. 3 meters height bridge. This is the bridge. Okay, this is river, this is bridge, and this is the height between bridge and the river. And this much distance gap is there between bridge and the river. From this point of bridge, if we observe the river opposite banks of opposite sides, means if you think this as a bank, means bank of the river, and this is the other side of the bank of the river. Okay, so actually we won't take this angle as a depression. This will be the angle of depression. This and this are the angle of depression. So I took here 30 degrees, this side 45 degrees. Okay, if you take names A, B, C and D, if you take, okay, now we want the angles within this triangle, right? So if you observe this and this are parallel, and AD as, what we say, AD as a transversal, this and this will be equal because alternate interior angles. So this is 30 degrees, and this actually the gap between this bridge and the river must be perpendicular, right? This is 90 degrees both sides. So if this is 30 degrees, this is 90, and this will be what, 60 degrees. How we got 60? 90 minus 30, 60. Now for this triangle, take this and this as parallel and this BD as transversal. This angle and this angle will be equal because of alternate interior angles. So this becomes 45, and here it is 90, and here what remains, again 45 degrees only. Okay, we want AB length. Okay, here we have to find length of AB. Okay, now consider triangle AD is ACD. Okay, so angle ADC equals to 60 degrees, right? Now I am finding base of this triangle ACD. Okay, so how to find? If we take tan 60, tan 60 degrees equals to opposite by adjacent, that is AC by CD, which implies tan 60 value, what ma? Tan 60 value is root 3 is equals to AC, we don't know, so AC by CD is 3. Therefore AC equals to 3 root 3. Okay, now for this triangle BC is the base, so that also we have to find. Now consider triangle BCD, angle BDC equals to 45 degree. So tan 45 degree I am using here. Tan 45 degree is nothing but BC by CD. BC by CD, which implies tan 45 is 1, BC we don't know, by CD is 3, which implies BC is equals to 3. Now here if you observe, what is the base, what is the river width here? AB. Okay, so AB is nothing but AC plus CB. The width of river is equals to AB, which is equals to AC plus CB. AC is nothing but 3 root 3. BC is nothing but 3, which is equals to, in these both you have 3 common. So here root 3 left, here 1 left. This is the answer. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.